In this video, I want to show you how to make a copy with the Epson EcoTank ET-2980. Let's get started. First step, open the scan lid and place the document you wish to make a copy of. Let's say it's this one. Facing down with the top part of your document towards the right side. Just like this. Now it's time to align it. You see there is an arrow over here in this corner. You simply need to drag the paper so the corner of the paper touches the corner with an arrow. Okay, when both are touching, close the scan lid, press the home button, and now the first option should be copy. Press OK. Select if you want a color copy or a black and white. I'll select black and white. I'll press OK. Select the number of copies with the up and down arrow. And once you're ready, press this button over here. And just like that, our result is out. Now, there is more options. For example, if I go back, when you were selecting black and white or color, if you press on the right side arrow more, you're gonna get more. Press OK. And from here, there's multiple things we can change additionally. So press OK. And as you see, there's many other settings that were available. Most people will not need them though. Anyway, thanks for watching. I hope this video was helpful. If so, leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.